Good morning guys, and welcome back to yet another weekly vlog. Today we're actually going to nip into town because I need to do an exchange or like a return, or I don't know yet. Basically I went into Zara yesterday, which I've got my bag over here. Went into Zara and I went and looked for an outfit because I got a shoot tomorrow, which is a very exciting shoot. I can't wait, but I'll keep you guys posted sooner to the time. But yes, tomorrow, and I want to get a really nice funky outfit because the campaign is kind of about like independent women, like Muslim women and stuff like that, so I want to get a really nice outfit for it. But the dress I bought is actually really nice, but I didn't like the way it fitted on me. The sleeves were like so big, and then like on the hips were kind of a bit tight, so I didn't like the way it looked. So we're gonna nip back into town and see if I can exchange it, perhaps. Hopefully today should be quite empty because obviously it's a Monday morning and everyone should be at work and school and stuff, so it should be okay, so I can look around, because yesterday was manic, like I couldn't look. So when I saw the dress I took it and I just assumed it's gonna be alright, but apparently not. So yeah, that's what so that's where we're gonna head to this morning. Hopefully I find something. If I do, I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. And this guy's clearly staring at me vlog.
This is as good a day as any.
Okay, so went in Zara, did my return, got the top that I think I showed you guys briefly with a little clip. Really happy with how it looks. It's like a blazer sort of dress. Love it. It's gonna look so good, hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, excited. Good morning guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. Today is Tuesday the 30th of January. As you can tell, I'm fully dressed up. I'll show you my outfit slightly if I can. Anyways, I am wearing all black because that's kind of my most comfortable outfit to wear. I'm wearing this really lovely blazer. If I go all the way back, you can probably see it. It's got all like pearls and stuff here. It's really nice. I really like it. This is the top that I got from Zara that I showed you guys in yesterday's vlog. So yeah, I picked this out, and then I'm wearing these really nice sophisticated kind of black pencil type trousers from Topshop, and then this River Island belt, and then just kind of like a fitted top from the inside, and just that's it. That's my outfit, and some like new look heels. But yeah, that's it. And then I've got my Michael Kors watch and just my Pandora bracelet. But that's my outfit for the shoot. I'm very excited. I can't tell you much about it until it actually goes live. I know that's so annoying. I know a lot of bloggers say that, and that irritates me when I watch someone saying that, but unfortunately that's how it is. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm a bit nervous. I feel like a bit apprehensive as such, but obviously, like I said, 2018 is going outside my comfort zone and saying yes more, so inshallah it'll be good. I'm very excited. But the car's going to pick me up at 1:45. It's currently 1:30, so I've got like 15 minutes till I go, and then I think the shoot is for about 2 hours or so. I don't know, but I'll keep you guys posted anyways when the campaign comes out and stuff like that, so keep your eyes peeled. But good things are happening inshallah soon. Okay, so I just finished the shoot. It went really well. The girls were absolutely lovely. Just from the hotel, as you guys can see behind me, just shooted there. So it was really nice. It was so much fun. It was just very fast paced, so as soon as we got there we had to start shooting, which was actually really fun. I really enjoyed it. And now I'm just waiting for Adil to pick me up. I was gonna get a taxi home, but I'm like, he's out and about anyway, so he should give me a lift back, and then we're gonna go home and chill, maybe go out for some food because I'm quite hungry now. It's like 3 o'clock. But yeah, it was really good. I really enjoyed it. So yes, it's quite nippy now actually. But yeah, I think I see him now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we just come to a Turkish. Good morning guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. I am just about to head out and go for like a breakfasty sort of worky thing-majing. I've got my laptop in my bag, and I've got my bag, and I'm just ready to head out and actually get some breakfast in me. It's like nearly 10 o'clock. Still haven't had breakfast. Still have my morning voice on, which is really awkward, but yeah, probably it's gonna be Starbucks. I don't know, we'll see. and because I want to go for like a really nice quiet place where I can actually get work done, because I've got quite a few videos to edit actually, so, and I need to upload it today, so vagines. It's super cold today actually, so I'm wearing like my fluffy coat again. You guys know how much I love this coat, so yeah, I'm very snug at the moment, which makes me feel very content. Yeah, let's go. So we just made it home now, and the weather has cleared up, which has put me in literally the best mood ever. I love it when it's like nice and bright and sunny, and it just makes me feel so good. But yeah, we just popped by. Got a Primark haul coming your way very soon. I picked up quite a few bits, like, there you go, sneak peek there for you guys. Picked up quite a few bits, which I'm so excited about. But I'm thinking with this haul I might do a little bit different, and I might do a try on bit to this haul. So yeah, so if you guys like try on hauls, there might be one coming your way soon. I just asked the husband to get all my lighting and stuff up for me, so I'm gonna set up everything and then start filming for you guys. Actually, you know what, Primark was really good this time. Like, I feel like Primark is like getting there, to be honest. It's really getting there. They have like some really nice bits, so I'm chuffed. I'm very when you and your husband casually match.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things
okay, so we
we
just made
used to
it home,
do?
and I've got a bunch of editing to do. I've got my Primark haul that's going up today, so I need to edit it and make sure I schedule it. I'm just drinking my drink because I'm like so thirsty. It's so sunny today, but it's like really cold and windy. But nevertheless, I've got a bunch of editing to do. Adol's gonna edit the husband versus wife video. We uploaded a new one. Well, we filmed a new one, so that should be live time this vlog goes up. So if you haven't watched it, I'll leave a link down below. It's a very fun video. Me, Iman and Adol filmed it together, so you guys have to go watch it. But yeah, it was really good. So I've got a bunch of editing to do now, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. Today is Saturday, and I just finished filming a video, hence why the full face of makeup. It's gonna be a very fun review for you guys. I have something very exciting for you guys coming your way, so make sure you're tuned in for it, because I am super excited. So hope you guys are. I've worked hard on it. But yeah, once it's uploaded, I'll keep you guys posted. So make sure you follow me on Snapchat, because I post everything on that. Make sure you like stay tuned, because you know it's a fun review, okay? And I worked hard on it, so I'm excited for you guys to see it. And not only that, guys, I just checked my subscribers. I'm we nearly hit 50k subscribers, so I am so excited. I'm buzzing for it. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 50k, there will be a huge giveaway coming your way. Honestly guys, I am so excited. I've literally gathered some of the stuff already, and I still need to buy some more, so it's going to be a huge giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, because you'll be entered in for the giveaway straight away. So yeah, so yeah, I just finished filming. I'm gonna get ready in a bit, because we've got my sister's, someone's like just messaging me, I got my sister's baby shower today, which is very excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll let you guys know the gender maybe later on, but have a guess. Can anyone guess what it's gonna be? Is it gonna be a girl or a boy? Let me know down below in the comment section below. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready in a bit and then head to my sister's. Well, we're gonna have the baby shower down my mom's house. So yeah, I've got her gifts over here, a little sneak peek. There we go, that's all you're gonna get. So yeah, I've got her bits for her yesterday. Hi guys, so it's been a minute since I last spoken to you guys. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes later since I last spoken to you guys. I'm just actually about to head out, hence why you can hear the noisy street. Yes, I'm just about to head out, go to my sister's baby shower, which I'm very excited for. Guess I'll quickly show you through my outfit. Actually, I'm not going to show you through my outfit, because you guys will actually see this in what I'm wearing in a week actually. So yeah, it's a good idea, Amina, because I'm actually filming it this week for you guys, sneak peek. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm actually about to head out. I'm always in a rush. But then that's me. I'm always literally in a rush. So I've got her gifts here, I've got some stuff for my mom to give her, my bag, my coat. Okay, let's go. Okay, so just made it to mom's house now, and I'm just chilling with my sister. Say hi.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, I was just gonna say to them, oh, you guys will have to guess the gender, but she's wearing pink. So yes, inshallah she's having a baby, which is so exciting.
Baby girl, inshallah.
How do you feel?
Excited, I can't wait now. It's just dragging on now.
How many months are you actually?
33, so Monday I'll be 34 weeks, inshallah.
Oh, so like 6 weeks to go.
Yeah, inshallah.
Just over a month, which is actually insane. But yeah, we're just home. Down my mom's.
Waiting for everyone.
Waiting for everyone. It's like 12:30. Everyone's supposed to be here for 12.
Exactly.
My mom's just nipped out to get some pizzas for lunch, which will be nice because I'm actually quite peckish now. But yeah, we're just gonna chill, and I'll probably catch up with you guys in a bit. So I just made it home now, and I'm actually feeling so tired right now, but I'm just kind of tidying up the house a little bit because my in-laws are just on the way here. They're surprising us, so yeah, I gotta clean the house quickly, make sure everything's nice and organized before they come. But yeah, I guess I'll end the weekly vlog here. I think I've got enough footage to last me a weekly vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. If you guys did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.